Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows is updated and Lenovo Vantage is installed. Open Settings Account Sign-in Options. You will see Windows Hello Fingerprint. If prompted, add a PIN first because fingerprint enrollment requires it. Once done, select Setup under Fingerprint and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure the laptop is on a stable surface and your finger is dry to get consistent reads. This reduces registration failures and speeds the next steps. You will now enroll fingerprints. Place the pad exactly as shown, lift and replace when the animation asks. The system captures different angles, vary pressure and position so the sensor learns edges and center. Repeat until progress hits 100%. Once one finger is done, add at least one alternate finger. This helps when hands are wet or at a different angle. If enrollment stalls, cancel and retry after rebooting the device. Patience here prevents future login friction. You finish by testing. Lock the laptop and unlock with the fingerprint to confirm success. If the reader fails, go to Device Manager Biometric Devices and update the driver, or run Windows Update and Lenovo Vantage driver checks. Make sure Secure Boot and Biometrics are allowed in BIOS if prompts fail. If problems persist, remove and re-enroll fingerprints after cleaning the sensor. This often fixes recognition errors caused by oil or misaligned templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.